Speaking of Marvel, you probably have seen the Spider-Man meme before.
Yeah.
The lookalike Spider-Man
And they're all pointing. At each other.
Sony's having some fun, and they decided to actually do it. Tom Holland, Andrew Garfield, and Tobey Maguire recreate the iconic Spider-Man pointing meme in honor of No Way Home's home media release announcement. Holland took up the mantle of the beloved web slinger for the Marvel Cinematic Universe after Maguire initially departed from the role, with Sam Raimi following the disappointment of Spider-Man 3, and Sony scrapped Garfield's amazing Spider-Man franchise due to lackluster box office returns. However, as the doors to the multiverse were burst open in Spider-Man No Way Home, the two would return as their respective Spider-Man. Okay, so scroll up here for a second. Which one is the best Spider-Man? Will? I feel like, or Mo, I don't know. Which one of you is more equipped to tell us this?
It would be Will, because the only one I watched was the first guy.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. I haven't seen
What do you got? Have you seen all these three in action, Will?
Yeah. I enjoy them all.
No,
they all had their own unique style.
You gotta pick one.
I feel like Andrew Garfield's Spider-Man was a bit edgier, a bit darker.
Easy.
Mm-hmm.
Are you attracted to him?
What?
I don't know. They're all
a bit more
pretty
mysterious. I put on my Game of Thrones outfit.
Oh, poor Will.
Well, you think I should pay more attention to you, Mo?
No, you're right.
No.
Yeah, I don't know. They're all good, I guess.
Well,
what do you want me to pick one?
Stop it. Yeah, pick one.
No, Tobey Maguire.
You go with the OG.
He's the first one.
OG sure. Toby. Anyway, Sony having some fun with it. It's that weird deal where Sony has Spider-Man. It's very strange because the video game and everything else.
Mm-hmm.
And so they have their own special moves when it comes to promoting that stuff and making those films and everything else. But I think it's fans love to see the embracing of the culture and the meme.
Yeah.
They loved. So this thing was taken off on social, as you might imagine.
Yeah.
In order to, I don't know if they were actually in the same space or
I think they were.
They CG'd it or photoshopped it. Did they put their heads on there? Come on,
I don't know.
Break it down, Will.
I think this was a photo shoot.
I think this
was
real.
For their Blu-ray release.
Photoshop or no Photoshop?
No Photoshop.
No Photoshop.
No shop.
Will says it. I didn't say it.